I'm sweating so bad. It just occurred to me why I'm so white. It's because sleep does not exist in my schedule. But since school is over and now it's the holiday break, I'm fine. Hopefully this will, I don't know. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a quick video on how I do my holiday makeup. Before I used to do my makeup, it's just like eyeliner and highlighter. Since I became a little more experienced with eyeshadow, I'm gonna try to do something with that. The main colors I'm gonna use are red and green from the NYX palette. This is the only colorful palette I have, so. And probably some silver glitter stuff. So let's go. I'm gonna try to fix this fit. You can play connect the dots on my face. Oh, hurry up. So I'm gonna start off by using a blotting sheet to take out the oil of my face, because recently, because of the stress and anxiety and school and like everything, my skin is just shit. I have eczema, whatever. My face used to be super dry and no moisturizer would work, but now because of everything like school, stress, anxiety, oil is just like, especially around my T-zone. So I'm gonna use this. This is the blotting sheet. Just on my forehead. Ew. So especially around my T-zone. And then my chin. Ew. I don't know if it actually does anything. Before I put on my foundation and anything else, I just drop powder everywhere. I usually put translucent powder. It creates an extra layer for the oil to come out. I don't put too much. There's like barely anything on the brush. And then like tap it on. I use the LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. Next are the primers. Technically for my base on my face, that was my primer because I don't use liquid foundation. So I don't need anything to be stuck on. Does that make sense? I don't know. For my eyes, like always, I'm using the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. My lips also have been super dry. So I'm gonna use the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir with actual gold in it. That's why it's probably like super expensive. I put the eye primer and the lip thing right now because while I'm doing my base, it'll have time to sink in and set. So now I'm gonna be using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm just taking my finger because all my brushes are disgusting. I should wash them. In the color medium 1 custard, just a little, putting it on the spots where I need them. And I don't use a lot. I just tap my finger in the little pot and then it covers a lot. I'm gonna use another concealer to highlight my face and hide my dark circles. I'm using the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer in the color Deep Ivory. Where's my sponge? Hello? Oh. I'm super dry here and around the nose, so when I put like foundation or concealer, it just becomes all crusty and my dead skin shows. That's not really good. So now that I've made myself even whiter, I'm gonna use my MAC concealer. No, what am I saying? My MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the color C4. I really should watch this. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person I look less white and I look more alive, which is good. I don't like full coverage, so this is good enough for me. Even though it could still show like my pimples or whatever, I don't care. If there's too much product on my face, I feel like I can't breathe. Next, contour. I'm using the same products that I've used before on camera, so I'm gonna be using this thing, using this color and a little of this with my Real Technique brush. I put too much. Yeah, I put too much. Take this. In person it looks blended. On camera I don't, it's probably because of the lights, but eyebrows. Recently, because I just gave up on life, I've been using my NYX mascara. Okay, whatever. Since the brush is a little bit too big, it's harder to control the shape and how much product there is on it. So I'm gonna use my old one from Essence, Make Me Brow. I'm just gonna use the brush because it's smaller. And I dip it in the NYX one. And this helps me have a more precise hand. During this whole time, I didn't redip my brush. And that's it. So instead of adding more product like concealer to carve it out, I'm gonna use a Kleenex. I'm just like taking a spoolie. So now let's go to the eyes. The brows are not perfect, but whatever. I'm going the Free Spirit one. I'm gonna start off with a base color from my Tartelette Amazonian thing. So in the NYX palette, hello. Should I do red inside and no? Okay. I'm gonna start off with the red and putting it on the outside. Was I in the frame the whole time or not? Once the outer crease is done, I'm gonna take the same brush and just like buff it in. I'm just gonna do this. I don't have time. And then I'm gonna go in this green and put it inside to complete the crease color. So then I wiped my brush again. I'm just gonna go back in the red just to make it like better. I look like a holiday panda. You could leave it like that if you want. Put eyeliner and the lashes and call it a day. But cut crease. Tiny brush and NARS. Oh, should I do like... I'm gonna drag out the cut crease out like this. Okay, the top needs blending, but you know. Okay, like that, it's fine. So then, since it's more like Christmassy, I'm gonna set it with a white shadow. I look crazy. Next up is packing on the glitter on it. I'm gonna be using this Beauty People pigment, I think, in the color 5 Sugar Light. I didn't even dip in this, and I've had this for so long. A little goes a long way. I just dropped it. I was wondering what I was gonna drop in this video. So I took a little on my ring finger because it's the lightest finger, and just packing it on there. And this works much better with a finger motion than a brush because the product gets stuck in the brush. I should have baked under my eyebrow, under my eyes. An eyelash. Great, I have less. And I think I'm just gonna... Oh my god, that's a lot of product. I also use that product sometimes as a highlighter because it just like... Now I'm gonna use my Urban Decay glitter eyeliner, Glam Rock, and outline that crease. Now we wait. After that dried out, I'm gonna take my MAC Liquid Last Liner. This stays like a tattoo, so if you mess it up, well, too bad. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my, hello. I'm gonna try to follow the line where I put the silver eyeliner. I'm gonna make it really thin too, so it doesn't clash with everything and doesn't hide the crease, the cut crease. Oh no. I somehow got more eyeliner on my other fingers. Great. I try not to breathe when I do this eyeliner. God. So you're gonna let that dry and then add mascara and lashes. Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I always use the Faux Mink lashes 208. They're like fluttery and they look like real lashes. Right now I just realized that I don't have any more pairs, but so now on to the rest of the face. I did my contour. I'm gonna use a little blush just to create, just so I don't look as flushed. Are you in a onesie? Of course, duh. I'll be using the Mary Kay Sunny Spice blush, and it's this taupey thing. I don't like pink. I don't use a lot of blush. I swipe, tap the excess off, and just I don't know if it shows. It's whatever. And now, highlighter. If you want a lot of shine, I usually use my Becca Champagne Pop Shimmer Highlighter in the liquid form and then take on the Physician formula. Other times I use my Becca highlighter in the Skin Perfector poured, which is more like of a paste. I feel like the poured one sticks onto your face better. And then, as usual, I take my Physician Formula highlighter in the powder form. Look at this. And go over it, so it just adds an extra shine. Last but not least, the lips. This is a sample I got from buying online and it's a good purchase. Oh wait, hold on. I have to zoom in for this. It's so pretty. I'll be using the Smashbox Liquid Lipstick Always Metallic Matte in the color Man Eater. I freaking love this. Look at this. Okay, last but not least, what I said before. Setting spray, I'm using the All Nighter Urban Decay. I don't know what's the difference between the white and the black one, but this is a new one. I needed it. Oh, that refreshes your face too. And there you go. Do they need a montage? Hello. So there you have it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know what else to say other than I love this lip color. Happy holidays, happy life if you don't celebrate. There'll be another video next week because I filmed it. I already filmed it. I'm just waiting for someone's reaction to film it and then put it in the video. So I can't post the video and then edit it and then post it again. Okay, whatever. It'll be up next week. Perfect. Thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye. I look so good. Je m'excuse, j'ai manqué ton appel. I'm filming right now.
Okay then. Damn, you make videos fast.
I don't edit them fast. You saw the China vlog.
No.
You can't see it because it's not out yet. Tu veux dire allô ou pas?
Okay, hello.
Okay, bye.